Hey guys, it's Tiffany with Quick and Dirty Gardens, and I thought I'd make a quick video on how to take care of your air plants, otherwise known as Tillandsia. Alright, so the name is a bit misleading. Air plants can't really live on the humidity in your house. So what you need to do is give them a bath once a week, and this is what I do. So I take a regular mixing bowl and I just fill it with tap water. Now I don't just use cold tap water, I add a little bit of warm water in there so I get it to be room temperature. It's no science, I don't use a thermometer, I just put my hand in there and make sure that it feels not too cold and not too hot, and just room temperature. So then I gather up all my Tillandsias and basically I just push them down in there and get them nice and wet. And then I kind of situate them so that their butts are sticking up. Mostly you're concerned with getting the leaves wet here. That's where the trichomes are, and those are the guys that are going to soak up the water. The base of the plant can rot out if you get too much water in it. So I stick them like that, butt side up, and I just let them hang out for a good 20 minutes, maybe up to an hour. After I've let them soak for a while, I simply shake off the excess water and I place them on a nice dry kitchen towel for quite a while, sometimes overnight, just to make sure that all of the excess water has soaked up before I place them back in their vessels. So once the Tillandsias have dried for a good long time, are nice and dry, you want to make sure that there's no moisture here in this base. So once your Tillandsias have dried, you just pop them back into place. So that's about it. Just do this once a week. I've chosen Fridays as my plant day. You can pick whatever day you want, but once a week, give your Tillandsias a nice long bath and they'll really appreciate it. So that's about it. Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe to my channel and check me out on Instagram, Quick and Dirty Gardens, all one word. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the garden.